Show them what you can see, baby.
Tap out the screen, man.
Okay, let me flip it.
Yeah, if you watch out if them with money in the place, I think can him.
Here you go. Him on the bus.
Your camera, boy.
Brixton High School.
Say she love MJ, king of pop.
Clifton Road.
Yeah, call the wife.
Oh, that's a nice. Wow.
What's nice, baby?
It's very nice.
Oh, this way. You know my friend that come last night? Let me do it. Here. What's the bottom?
This button. This one. This one.
This one. Thanks.
Let off. Let off.
Mama.
Let off. Wanna move. Wanna move. Look at. Downstairs, my boss. Come here.
Very ignorant people this time of the year.
Come. Come, hold it. You know what I want to hold it? I can't talk to your people, man. Alright, we hold it here. But I say no, in tired right now. Yeah.
Yeah, man, you just hold his own meds and just take in his
Yeah, go
own.
on, only one meds, I know.
You just also hold his own meds and take in a little piece
Yes,
of the little piece of London that he's taking in right now.
I say, hold it, you know. I'm tired of that now.
Megan, people need to understand Eve. Stop. People need to understand Eve wasn't how he works. He just likes to do his own world and do his own thing.
Yeah.
He doesn't follow nothing. He doesn't follow fashion. He doesn't care about the height. None of that shit.
If I
He
you
just
boss,
loves
I know you
Michael
boss to
Jackson
come live.
and to dance. People need to understand that he doesn't care about anything that goes on in the world apart from what's going on with Michael Jackson. Not that he doesn't care, it's just that he doesn't. Yeah, he doesn't know. Hello, baby. You see,
As the girl pass here about hello.
no, but she's with her
Yeah, and
partner.
she
But she's with her partner.
You see
have to
girl
say
right
hi
up
to
the same
both
way
of
till the girl pass. Yeah, it's not easy.
We're gonna have to explain to people. No, my boogie. You see, when you cannot be just say hello to a girl when she's with a man like that.
One girl, we might wait for her.
But she's with a man, and he's hello.
Yeah.
And the man looked at her as if to say, but wait. Go say hello to both of them. When you see a man and a woman
The
together?
man who Michael Jackson.
No.
Jamaican Michael Jackson.
Not everyone. I don't know. Some are going to
Not everybody on this world.
Oh, when me in the suit, I'm going to
When you're in the suit, they'll be like, hey,
Yeah.
that looks like a
Michael Jackson, yes,
And
it.
then you explain that you're Jamaican Michael Jackson.
When we pull up on the
Airport, yes, it.
Right.
Because they see a nice suit.
So that's what I say. When they saw you now, that's when you explain to say, I'm the Jamaican Michael Jackson. And that's when they're like, oh, okay. And because we've got the MJ the musical going on in London at the moment, so a lot of people are here for that. So it's a good time.
Yeah,
We're
man.
going to that anyway, but it's a little surprise for him. What's the road there? Because there's too much cars. What's the traffic light?
Yeah?
Yeah, that's the Indian restaurant. There's the little Costa coffee like Starbucks when we go.
Mr. Chin food nice.
Mr. Chin food nice?
I know.
That nice.
Remember, he's got limited he's got limited palate. He's got a limited taste.
Yeah.
Him tongue is limited to taste. Him limited this.
Where that food? We can't bother with
It was
them
that
food.
Chinese is a nice Chinese, yes. We don't just go eat from anywhere and everywhere.
Alright, wait.
Yeah, calm now we can come. No,
Where you
some of
at?
them cook dog, you stay there. Some of them restaurants they cook dog, you stay there, what they do. Dog, monkey, ass. Wait, oh.
Yeah.
Always rushing around, they're rushing by fast. And they don't even pay no their mind. So sometimes when you say hello to people and they don't say it back because they're just like you when they mind somewhere else.
Yes, big man. Tell HeeHoo Boss I love him. Tell him he's the best. I'm coming to see him.
Yeah, for real. Big up,
You're the
man.
best. You make me laugh every single day when I'm on Instagram. I love you.
Best.
Big man thing. You're the best.
Yeah.
Big up.
Oh, I'm gone?
Yeah. Right there, gone.
Come, baby, you can't do this here. I know, we're not in Jamaica. You can't do
You
this
think I Jamaica there?
here already. It's not the same as in Jamaica as it is here. It's not run like that. There's people gonna say,
I'll come for you next time. I'm suit.
Yeah, come here in your suit. Bombard.
you tell them just go.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're sitting there having their breakfast or whatever. Say, hello.
Dog, say me, I come here and I'm the suit. Are your suit, are your power? Are your suit, are your power?
He wants everybody to know that he's the Jamaican man.
Yeah, I suit, I power.
Welcome to Great.
Yeah.
They're gonna be scared and say, "What the fuck is this?" They're gonna think that you're an actual crazy man,
Yeah.
that you're a madman. So don't do that. Exactly. So
Joy
don't
and
do
energy,
it.
man.
Remember,
Yeah, big up, brother, big up.
Glory, man. Give God glory. Yeah, you. Do it. Yeah, time.
when you speak, when you go up to people, you say to them,
Yeah, man. Yeah,
"Hey,
time.
I'm just Jamaican man."
Yeah, man, God on time.
I want to know. Where's the
Yeah?
see this? Where's the see this?
Yeah, it's a must, you know?
Well, I tell them, man. You don't stop a
Yeah.
great youth, man.
I agree with this, man.
You have talent still, you know, Dan.
What is for talent?
God on time, man.
God on time.
Yeah, I'm happy for him still, is it?
Of course, we see a madman in London.
Yeah, bro.
Yes, but madman in London. We don't know a madman there.
You know, HeeHoo Boss asked that the other day. He said, "Manager, madman in London." I said, "Yeah." He said,
It's a
"Homeless
madman
people in
there.
London." I said, "Of course, baby." He's like, "Why?"
Yeah, man, everybody there, man. Everybody there foreign,
Yeah.
man. All type of people there foreign, man.
Yeah.
So the boy, yeah, man, the boss say I take it to them, man. Understand?
Yeah, man. 'Cause you have a big stage show in the night at, you know.
But the girl, I'm going to tear off him clothes off him.
Yeah, man, the girl, I'm going to tear off in clothes, man, as in touch the stage. Yeah, you laugh. You better
yeah,
manage the girl, them.
I'm
Yeah,
party there so what's out tonight, man.
yeah, man. Girl, I'm going to fuck you off.
Yeah, more they hold me down there.
You want to fuck you off, don't you? Better can manage them. We want them fuck you off. Better can manage them.
7G, are you
HeeHoo Boss, when are you
Yeah.
in South London? Come to South London.
Yeah, no, see, I met my wife manage him, though. I told her manage him, is it?
We want you to come South London.
Maybe the music, them, content, them, yes, when it come to video and them things, the media, because I'm myself an artist too, you see it?
Oh, yeah, I know, man. I'm see it on the TikTok, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Can you make HeeHoo Boss come to South London? Come to
South
Brixton.
London?
Yeah, Brixton.
Brixton?
Yeah, make him go perform.
We are coming to Brixton
DJ
tonight.
AG. Yeah, make him
We
go
are coming to Brixton
perform
tonight.
with DJ AG.
Yeah, you have a stage show in Brixton.
When?
Yeah?
When?
Tonight.
In Brixton?
Yeah.
Okay.
You like that one day? Watch it.
Jamaican boss.
Watch that. You think you go smile can't get him? You smile can't get him.
Jamaican Michael Jackson.
Watch your name can't come out.
Jamaican Michael Jackson.
Hi, baby. Hello.
One in London. Michael